It's a new project this morning, putting a new driveway into this property right here. We're going from the road all the way to that barn. Coming about 10 feet off these trees, all the way down. We got the skid steer and the grader. And I'm gonna get up on the motor grader and strip some of this grass off, and the customer just wants to pile it up in a few piles along the tree line. He will use it later around the farm. So I'm gonna go up here and cut some grass off. Tim will clean it up and we'll mosey on down the path we go. Yeah, you can put a pile like right here at the front of the grader is fine. Quick work of this. He's getting all this stripped off and rode up down here to him, and he's piling it along the edge. Starting to look like a driveway already. So now I got all this grass stripped off. You can kind of see the outline. Well, you can see it real good where there's no grass. So the first probably 200 feet is ready for stone. I always strip the grass off. Kind of got the topsoil down to a good solid base. The grader won't even hardly cut it, so it's I'm gonna say it's solid. I'm gonna run down here. I want to get the first couple hundred feet graded and ready. That way the truck can go ahead and start bringing stone, and he's not waiting on us. And I'll go down here and start grading the rest. So I just made a couple passes to get my outline edges this morning, and I'm going to run down here and get all this road and road up so he can come back here with a skid steer and scoop it up and put it in these piles. All done all the way to the garage. All this is cut in, and we got our first load of stone. So I'm gonna back up here to the road, get it spread out. I kind of notched it into this hill a little bit so that once I put the rock down, it'll be flush, and the water that does come off this hillside can just drain right across the road, and it won't pond up and have a mud hole on the uphill side. So there's my rock. I'm going to run over with the grader real quick. I'll need some more up here at the road. I probably need to turn around and actually grade it towards the road so that I'm carrying that material up to the edge. That's what I need to do. Alright, let me turn around and get that bladed down. bright and early here Friday morning. Got 2 loads of stone left to spread out. So I just got the grader fired up. I'm gonna run over that, get that put on grade and dressed up and rolled in. We'll be out of here on this one. Rolling it in. I think it turned out nice. Now the sun's gonna come up and blind everybody. Figured I'd do a quick video. One more pass and this will dress up nice. Got it where it comes down here and sweeps around and goes by the truck and down there to the barn and the workshop. When I laid this road in here, I kind of notched it down so that when grade was finished, other than right here where this hump is, I cut out. Kind of as all the water runs this way, it'll just kind of run right across the road. And it shouldn't pull up or dam up any water, so there it is. It right off. So busy day today. I got the power trenched in for the new shop, and I tied into the water line and got water run to the building as well. Let's see, I forgot what, let's see, what have they done since then? They put the gutter on the front and back, and they poured the concrete apron. I got that back filled, and since then I framed up for the shop lights and the fan. I had to get, I'm doing a metal ceiling in here. They've ordered all the metal, but before they can put that up, I had to frame up for where the lights are going to go. Let's see, all the lights are here. My heater, going to do a propane heater in here. Here's one of the lights. The 6 bulb LED lights should, I think it's like 20,000 lumens or something. I don't know what I don't have the package. They had good reviews, so that's why I bought those. But as of right now, there is power in here on the outlets. Got the outlets wired up, and there is water now. It's got good pressure. So I can wash all the dirt off everything. So I just got that right there for now to keep that cut off. Ice maker is going to go right here. I'll probably tee into that. Put me a sink right there in front of the window. I know, everybody talked me into it. I think it'll probably be handy though. Won't have hot water, but at least have cold water to wash your hands off if need be. And yeah, just got to finish running get all the light switches tied in and the boxes for the fan. That wire's run up there. Outlets across the back. So like I need to plug the golf cart in, I can pull it up here and get it charged. So just got to put all those outlets in and frame up for the lights in here. I'm just going to do 4 lights in the center of each bay. So pretty much right here will be a light, and then 3 more all the way down. At night, the light pretty well lights it up, the aerial light up there. So doesn't need a whole lot. I'm more worried about being able to see nice in the shop here. So looks like a mess went off, but made good progress today, I think. So get some of this junk cleaned up and organized, and hopefully this week they can put the ceiling in there. I can get it insulated, and then I can put up the walls.